like the darkness might never end? Matt Haig did, and he wrote the book that proves it can. Finding light in the darkness, what's the one thing that's kept you going on your hardest days? Matt Haig's Reasons to Stay Alive isn't just another mental health memoir. It's a raw, honest roadmap through depression, written by someone who's been to the edge and found a way back. Haig's story starts with his own crisis, standing on a cliff in Ibiza, paralyzed by despair, but clinging to a thread of hope. He reminds us, sometimes, surviving is an act of courage. A journey through 5 phases. Which phase of healing do you relate to right now? Haig structures his journey in 5 phases: failing, landing, rising, living, and being. Each one captures a different stage of his relationship with depression, from the brutal reality of wanting to disappear, to the slow, stubborn climb toward hope. Thing that's helped you on your recovery journey? Recovery, Haig shows, isn't a straight line. It's messy and slow, filled with setbacks and tiny victories. He learns to accept his thoughts, without becoming them. As he says, you want to kill yourself. That is as low as it gets. There is only upwards from here. Finding beauty in the ordinary. What's something beautiful you noticed today? Healing, for Haig, often comes in small doses: a good run, a favorite book, a moment of quiet. He calls these micro recoveries. Even on the toughest days, he looks for beauty: clouds, poetry, a face in the crowd. Beauty cleans the mind, he writes. The power of love and support. Haig's partner Andrea is his anchor. She doesn't try to fix him, she just stays, listens, and loves him through the storm. Sometimes, the greatest gift you can give someone is simply being there. Do you ever feel like you're not normal? What does normal even mean? Haig challenges the idea of normal. There is no standard normal. Normal is subjective. He argues that our modern world overwhelms us, and mental health struggles are a natural response, not a personal failing. How do you turn pain into something creative? For Haig, writing becomes a lifeline. He jokes, sometimes you have to either write a song or kick your foot through a window. The third option? Write a book. Creativity, he says, can transform pain into something meaningful. What's one reason you keep going, even when it's hard? Haig's message is simple but powerful: life is always worth it. Even when you can't see the stars, they're still there. Hang in there, the storm will pass. Tag someone who needs to hear, the storm ends. Believe me, 13 years on, Haig stands as proof that healing is possible. Reasons to Stay Alive is a beacon for anyone struggling, a reminder that you're never truly alone, and there are always reasons to stay alive. If this resonated with you, share your reason to stay alive in the comments. And remember, hurricanes will run out of energy someday. For a deeper dive, check out the full summary, link in bio.